Good evening, students. After completion of basic classification of animal kingdom, today we are going to study about animal kingdom. Animal kingdoms are of two types. Namely, Animal Kingdom 1, Animal Kingdom 2. Animal Kingdom 1 included 9 phyla, Porifera to Echinodermata. Animal Kingdom 2 features 2 mammals, 5 phyla, Invertebrata phyla Porifera. Members of these phyla are commonly known as sponges. Sponges are mostly asymmetrical animal, marine. Few are in freshwater except Spongilla, SPYNGILLA, DA is Spongillidae. Pontobdella, PYN, TIVA, DDILLAE. Pontobdella Spongillidae, freshwater sponges. Sponges have a cellular level of organization and water transport, water canal system. These are most primitive multicellular universe. Water enters into the body through minute pores, ostia, from where they go through osculum. Large pore is called a osculum. So name is called a porifera. Pore means 2 pores. One is the first type of pore is the ostia, minute pores. Second type of pore is called osculum. This pore is a large in size. Water is enter into the body through minute pores. Into the body cavity or spongocyte through minute pores. Water transport help in food collection, food gathering, exchange of gases, removal of waste material. Choanocytes, CH4 ANOCYTES, choanocyte. Collar cells, COLLAR CELLS, choanocyte collar cells, lining the spongocyte or central cavity. Sponges are hermaphrodites, sexes are not separate. Hermaphrodite, HERMA, hermaphrodite, PHRODITE. Hermaphrodite means sexes are not separate. Eggs and sperms are produced by the same individual. Fertilization is external. Development is having larval stages. Larva is morphologically different, distinct from the adult. Five minutes.
Start.
Example, Scypha, SCYPH, Scypha, marine water sponges. Spongilla, freshwater sponge. Bath sponge, Euspongia. Next to for Coelenterata nidaria. Coelenterata, the name Coelenterata is derived from coelom, cavity. Cavity is formed from pouches of a primitive gut. The name nidaria derived from the nidoblast nidocyte containing stinging capsule and nematocyst, used for capturing defense, foot capture of prey, anchorage means attachment, capture of prey, defense mechanism. Coelenterata are sessile. Sessile means attaches to the substrate. Free swimming attaches to the substrate. Sessile. Sessile. These are diploblastic animals. Radial symmetrical animals, diploblastic animals. Nidaria, derived from the nematocytes, contains stinging cells. Nematocytes present on the tentacles and the body. Coelenterata are diploblastic radial symmetrical animals. Corals are skeleton of Nidaria or Coelenterata, composed of calcium carbonate corals. Coelenterata exhibit two body forms, polyp and medusa. Polyp is a long and cylindrical asexual form. Medusa is umbrella shaped, free swimming, umbrella shaped sexual form. Fifth line. Polyp medusa both exhibit metagenesis. Metagenesis means the alternate generation of phenomenon. Polyp produce asexually. Polyp produce asexually medusa. Medusa produces polyp asexually. So the phenomenon is called a metagenesis. Next animal kingdom. Phylum Ctenophora. First phylum. Next phylum Platyhelminthes. Next to Platyhelminthes, next phylum Aschelminthes. Let us start first phylum Ctenophora. Among the nine phyla, Ctenophora is the only minor phyla. Remaining all phyla are major phyla. Members of this phylum Ctenophora are commonly known as sea walnuts, comb jellies, due to the presence of comb plates. Next to comb jellies, gooseberries, sea walnut, comb jellies, gooseberries. Ctenophorus are exclusive marine forms. Marine forms. Triploblastic animal, radial symmetrical animal, triploblastic animals. Organization with the tissue level of organization. Marine forms, extremely marine forms, radial symmetrical animal, Diploblastica with the tissue level of organization. Body bears, 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. Comb plates, hence name are called comb jellies. Comb jellies. With the lasso cells or glue cells. Comb jellies help in locomotion. Lasso cell or glue cell, cell in digestion. Digestion is both external, internal. Comb plates. Jellies, lasso cell. Another important property of ctenophores is the bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the property of living organisms. It is to light emit. Sexes are not separate. Sexes are not separated. Sex is by means only.
పెద్దగా రాయి.
fertilization, external, develop, development, indirect, examples. For matching questions, examples are very important. Fluorobranchia, Tenoplana. These two examples are very important, most important for MCET examination, for NEET examination, for matching questions. Next to Tenophora, Platyhelminthes. Tenophora, next follow with the Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are also commonly known as the platforms because platforms are their bodies are dorsoventrally flattened, dorsoventrally flattened.
అంటే
Platyhelminthes are found in animals, endoparasites. Found in animals including human beings. Bilateral symmetrical animal. Symmetry. Bilaterally symmetrical animals. Level of organization. Triploblastica. With organ level of organization. Organ level of organization. Filaments. Suckers are present in the parasitic forms. Suckers are present in the parasitic forms. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host through their body surface, and the platyhelminthes are endoparasitic animals. An important bit for examination point of view. Platyhelminthes have some specialized cells called flame cells. Flame cells are function help in osmoregulation, and excretion. Sexes are not separate. Fertilization, internal. Development, have many larval stages. Indirect, examples, forked tapeworm, second example, fasciola, very important bit, liver fluke of sheep, one more important character feature of platyhelminth is planaria, pasas have high regeneration capacity. Next is the platyhelminth. Next follow the aschelminth. Next following the aschelminth, also known as the roundworms. Because they have a circular muscles in cross section, hence are known as the roundworms. Aschelminths are commonly aquatic, terrestrial forms, parasites in plants, in animals. Aschelminths are triploblastic animals. Symmetry, bilateral, with the organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Coelom in aschelminths, pseudocoelomates. Special property, excretory tube, removes waste material from the body cavity through excretory pore. Sexes are not separate. Bisexual forms. Dioecious. Dioecious means bisexual forms. Males are shorter than to females. Females are longer than to males.
అవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలే.
Males are shorter than to females. In males, posterior end is slightly curved. Males are shorter than to females. In males, posterior end is slightly curved with the pineal picture. Pineal pictures. Unequal pineal pictures. Important for copulation. Copulation means for attachment to the female. But in female, posterior end is straight and no curved, no pineal pictures. So one from the mouth, 1/3 of the from the mouth, there's one pore, excretory pore. Excretory tube removes waste material from the body cavity through excretory pore. So sexes are not separate. Fertilization. Internal. Fertilization. Internal. Development. Indirect. pseudofilaments. Gut is complete. With muscular pharynx. Examples: Ascaris, roundworms, Wuchereria, Phylloderms, Enterostoma,
oh.
Thank you, viewers.